Hello and welcome to another track guide by me. This time we're in Sao Paulo, where weather will surely not be in effect. Um, there will be no such thing as changing conditions, as I will show you now. As we enter the track, completely clear skies, everything is good. Let's wait for the... What? Okay, it's just started raining. Might be a coincidence or something. And we can hear police sirens outside. Maybe that has something to do with the area that I live in or the place that we are driving. Right. So coming onto the back straightaway here, you're coming downhill actually into quite difficult corner here. It's off camber on the exit. You might lose the rear, especially if it's torrential weather like this. Into a long right-hander, normally in fourth gear, but in the rain you want to be very cautious as you head through the corner. Massive wide curb here, you can use all of it, basically until the wall, without getting a cut. A left-hander here where it's easy to slide out wide, because you have a very high load on the car. Oh, the rain is stopped, so I'm just gonna opt to stay out on dry tires, because this track will be dry within 2 laps anyways, in 40 degrees. So coming towards Timo Glock corner here, we will start our climb to the start finish. Going up the hill here, it's very important to stay wide and not go too tight here, because this actually becomes a corner if you are too tight around that area. Do not cut the pit line, because you will get a cut track because of the very dangerous pit entry. You want to brake later than you actually think for this corner, because the 50 board is when this track starts to arch a little bit, not when the turn is coming. So you want to keep that in mind as you try to save the car for at least 500 meters, or what feels like 500 meters. Again, starting to, hopefully, let's have a dry lap this time. So again, down into second, look for the exit. Try to make this in one corner if you can actually, so you just want to open the steering wheel a little bit from the corner before. This should also be okay. Now the rain is coming in. This is I can't make a track guide like this. I mean, what do you guys want me to do? I cannot just fucking work like this. What is this? I'm I'm quitting. I'm done. I'm done.